Lastly, we have this box. Okay, so in this box, let's open it up. Ooh, yay! I got my little airtight glass bottles. I'm gonna be washing these tonight as well in the dishwasher. If I don't wash them tonight, I'm gonna be washing them in the morning. So my plan for these, I'm going to make an herbal infusion. It's going to be called Throat Coat Comfort. So it's for anyone who has like a sore throat, any type of coughs. It's a cough suppressant. So helps with mucus in your chest. It helps get up any type of mucus. So it's going to be honey, cayenne pepper, turmeric, lemon, eucalyptus, peppermint, thyme. So all of that is going to be incorporated in this little jar with some raw honey, and it's going to infuse for about 3 to 4 weeks. So those, it also came with these little labels. I'm not going to use them, but it's cute. And thank you. All right, let's get started. We are adding in our raw ginger. Next, we're doing our raw garlic. You only need just a few teaspoons because you remember you're going to be eating, you're going to be taking spoons of this. So, you don't want, if it's to each his own. If you want big chunks of garlic and ginger, it's solely up to you. Me personally, I like the taste of it. I don't mind chewing garlic and ginger. First that was our mint medley. Now we're adding in our lemon ginger. And then finally, we're adding in our eucalyptus herb. Next, we are adding our turmeric powder. A few splashes of that in there. If you add too much turmeric, it could possibly taste like dirt. So I always do small ounces and pieces of turmeric. Then we're sprinkling in some cayenne. Cayenne is really good for helping with your mucus. Break down the mucus in your chest and also in your throat. Lastly, we are adding, well, not lastly, then we just added in a splash of our apple cider vinegar. We don't want it to be too acidic. So that was the apple cider vinegar. We're adding a splash of that. And then, lastly, we are adding in our raw honey. And as you know, honey is a humectant. Honey helps with a lot of things. I will allow you to go ahead and do your own personal research on honey because I am not a medical professional. I'm just letting you guys know what remedies work for me and also my family. Add a little bit more honey because I like to fill my jar all the way up to the top. And then that pretty much is it. I'm going to go ahead and close the jar. It's kind of hard to clamp the top of this and record at the same time. But as you can see, I'm doing my best. Doing my best. So we have that clamped together, and what we'll do once we have all the mixture and herbs, honey, apple cider vinegar, turmeric, all that stuff blended together, we will flip it upside down. So we'll leave this infusing for about 3 to 4 weeks and bring it up close and personal so you can see all of the ingredients we incorporated, because the whole purpose of it is to get it infused. So you can infuse this in a few places. You can leave this on your counter face down for 3-4 weeks. You can put this by a window that gets direct sunlight. You can also put it on your microwave if you do use your microwave like that all the time. So it's a beautiful mixture. So every day you'll take about a little bit of a teaspoon. You can do it two or 3 times a day, but the whole purpose of this mixture is, of course, to maintain your immune system. So these are all 4 of the jars in which I created. So beautiful, so golden. It's that turmeric and that apple. Well, all of it is pretty beautiful and golden. So we're getting up close. Take a good look at that. So you see all of the herbs have already mixed into it. And then in the final video, you'll see how the herbs have settled in. All of them have rised to the top. So when I put my spoon in, I'm getting all of that yummy goodness. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys try out this recipe. If you do, please let me know down in the comment section. Bye for now. Thank you.